Hello my friend, today we are going to show you how to use shoes device to embroidery on knit caps. Now we use the model HM1501 to show you how to embroidery it. The first step, we need to select frames on the computer. Choose the shoe device here. And then we need to install this shoe device on the machine. Firstly, lose the 2 screws. And then tighten the screws. We choose the design on the computer. Choose the design you want to embroidery on the caps and save it. And now we need to adjust the frames. Adjust it. Follow the design. Lose the screws on the device. Move it. And the other side, also the same steps. Move it according to the design in the computer. And then we confirm embroidery and work the frame. While working the frame, you need to check the frame whether it will be hit the needle bar. And move out the frame in order to add materials on it. We use a piece of backing cloth in the below, and then we embroidery on the caps so that the design embroidery will be delicate and exquisite. Fix it. Fix it. Adjust the caps. And you need to choose the embroidery area on the caps. Choose it on computer. And then we choose the color we want. Choose the color based on the thread plate. And now we choose it on the computer. And start embroidery. And now the embroidery is finished. We just need to take it off. Take off the extra backing cloth.